Hi, my name is Taylor and I'm a pharmacist at the Utah Poison Control Center. Today, I'm going to show you how to administer naloxone so that you will be prepared to give it in the event of an opioid overdose. In the actual event of an opioid overdose, the first step is to call 911 so that emergency medical services are on their way while you prepare the naloxone. Now, let's discuss how to use naloxone. This is NARCAN nasal spray. It comes in a box with 2 sprays, enough for 2 doses. Remove one of the nasal sprays from the box and remove the packaging. Each nasal spray comes with an applicator end, which goes in the nose, and a plunger. Place the applicator end in the nostril and depress the plunger with a quick, firm push. When inserting the applicator into the patient's nose, you'll want to create a tight seal so that the medication spray goes up into the sinuses and doesn't come down the face. You do not need to plug or close the other nostril. Then, with a firm push, you'll spray the medication. NARCAN takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes to work. If you do not see a response, take the second dose from the box and administer it into the other nostril. That is how you successfully administer NARCAN nasal spray.